In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Proceed to tap on privacy shortcut. Then on this interface, scroll down a bit until you locate delete your account and information and tap on it. Then on this interface, you have the option to deactivate your account or delete your account. In this case, since we want to delete our account, we have to tap on this. Then a caveat to call out: when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. If after reading this you want to proceed to delete your account, you just have to tap on continue to account deletion. And congratulations, you have successfully deleted your Facebook account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.